Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to import a database in MS SQL Server. So this is our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and we want to import some database. So in order to do that, what we need to do, we just need to set this SQL Server in our Management Studio. Then hit a right click on database. Okay, and in this database you need to select the third option, restore database. So in the restore database, one window will pop up and you need to give the location of your database. So in order to do that, I'll select a device, and here one backup device display window will open up. So media type you will keep as a file and add the path of this database. So here I have put my database in this location, my MS SQL server, MS SQL and backup. So say for example, I will import this worldwide import full database. So I have given the database location in a selected backup device. Then just hit the OK button and hit the OK. So it will load your data in MS SQL server. It may take me right from 20 seconds to 1 minute's time. So have a patience. So this is the simplest way to import any backup database in this system. And this this adventure work and worldwide imports are the very famous data sets given by Microsoft. This Microsoft itself. So it is basically used for many analytical purpose. So this data set has been imported successfully. So here we can see data set database has been imported. Once you import this database, then you can see some black sign would be there. That means your data has successfully imported. Let us see what is inside this worldwide importer. So here there are various various folder options. So we will check the table, what are inside this table. So in this table we can see various table folder. Various tables are also available and we are interested, say for example, to check what are in sales invoice. So in this sales invoice you can see some excel sheet window buttons is showing on. So I will check what are the columns of this what is the name, sales dot invoice table. So these are the various columns. So if I want to check the name of these columns and everything, I have two options. I can write this query, and I can go directly to this data this table by saying show me top 100 rows. So it will pop up me top 100 rows, you can see. So this is the simplest way, one way of doing this. And if you want to do the second way, you have also the options. You need to go to worldwide import. However, I usually do in the second options to fetch the through queries. Hit a right click and enter the new queries. Okay, and here use a select from, what is the name of this table, sales dot invoice, sales dot invoice, invoices and semicolon. Then hit a control E, exit. Okay, so it is showing me the same result. Here you can see there are customized selections, and here all columns are popped up here. Okay, so this depends on you. So the SQL developer usually select the necessary columns from this table. So here it is mentioned top 100 rows of this invoice, of this sales invoice table. Okay, so I would like to give you some few insights about what is this in bracket things. Okay, so this in bracket is nothing but the name of this database. See, its database name is worldwide importers, which we already imported. Okay, then dot sales is one kind of table. Okay, and in that case dot invoices, further down the line columns are there. So this is nothing but the notation. However, I have simply used the select from self.invoice, so it has priced out. Important thing is you have to give the full form of this line, whatever is mentioned in this database. Okay, say for example, if I want to fetch the data of the sales dot order. Okay, so I will simply click hit, and maybe I can see what are the top 1000 rows. So it will pop up in 1000 rows. However, if I want to do by manual queries, then I will go to the database and hit new queries. Then we'll give the name, we'll write a SQL query, select star, select asterisk key from sales dot orders. What was the name? Orders. Okay, and semicolon, then control E. So it will give me the same result. This is the output. So this is the way to import the database in the MS SQL server, and how to check whether our database has any values or not. If you feel this video is very interesting, feel free to hit the like button and hit the subscriber button. Thank you very much for watching this video.